Hello, here we got Infiniti headliner with a blown out airbag. The headliner is pretty wrecked. It looks a bit teared. Here's a missing piece. Here is a nice little place. And so we're gonna fix it. And it's huge. Yes, it's really huge. This is the largest headliner I have ever seen. So I have fixed all the moving parts, made up temporary templates for the missing pieces here, and added some cardboard, thick plywood, cardboard, pressed cardboard underneath, so it's a little bit more stiffer. And for the crack right here, also everything now is fixed, not moving, and now it's time for some fiberglass, the stinky stuff. Well, that was very fun. My face looks very nice. Some pressure from the glasses and the mask came out pretty okay. It reinforced all this place. There were some wrinkles. That the hole where the handle is, it was pretty ripped out. This little piece came out pretty good. Got it to the same level. Wanted to do the same thing over here, but my temporary mold was a little bit shaky, not sturdy enough. I didn't want to lose the shape of the mold. Rip right here came out really nice. Tomorrow, when this side is dried up, we're gonna flip the headliner over. We're gonna rip off all the temporary plates. Gonna reinforce it from the back. Bye! Hey, good morning to you. So, on the headliner, we're gonna take off these temporary molds, plates. We're gonna see what's underneath, how we're gonna reinforce it from the back side. Well, now, it came out pretty good. It's dark. Let me take the light. So, here's the light. Here's the crack. It looks pretty good. Sanded down. Here is the missing part. From the other side, you can see more clearly what has been added. I think it came out really good. Now I'm going to reinforce this junction and this where the two different materials meet. So I'm gonna have an overlap so it doesn't crack or anything. And the same I'm going to do over here. I'm gonna make a nice little patch from the other side. So, see you later. Whoopee! My face is in multiple colors again. So, I finished up the filler madness with the headliner. This is the crack. It was bent, so it was a wrinkle there. And this is the missing part. So it looks pretty good. And, oh, of course, now I reinforced it. Here. And tomorrow, we're gonna wrap this baby up. Me and my good buddy, Material here, are going to work on the next thing. Headliner wrapping. Gluing the material onto the repaired headliner. So everything is sanded up, smooth. We're gonna lay down the material on the headliner and we're gonna flip it in half. Then we're gonna glue one side and then the other side. So, let's hope it goes well. It's ready. And it looks good. Yay. So, if this was helpful in any way, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.